So if you make the solution I asked you to make, which is 0.5 moles per liter in a half a liter, and then I asked you how many moles are there, well, one way you could check your calculation if you wanted to is actually make this into a 1 liter solution and see what the concentration is. Okay, so the number of moles in here is not going to change. But if I bring this volume up then to 1 liter, I can see that I only actually put in 0.25 moles. If I had a half a liter to try to get it to that 0.5 concentration, I'm going to need less moles. The idea a lot of people are giving me that big M is the same as moles is not true. Okay, big M is moles in 1 liter, but since you only have a half a liter going here, you did not put 0.5 moles in. Okay, you put 0.25 moles in. Be careful. For the rest of the math then, for like 2 and 4, we're looking for the dilution equation, right, which is this one, M1V1 equals M2V2, to see what your new concentration should be. Okay, so use that as you go through it. Okay. And then this number 6 and 7, we're looking for moles again. So you could double check it with the simulation the way I've taught you, or do the math. But I was just seeing a lot of mathematical mistakes when looking at big M versus moles on this little calculation part. So be so careful. Moles is not molarity, okay? In the end, a calculation you can set up always, if you would like to, is if you know the volume you're working with, say, I know I've made a 0.75, that's kind of a lot, but okay, 7.75 liter solution, and I know that in the end I made a concentrated solution of 0.125 moles per 1 liter, I can multiply those together. Okay, so you can take your volume and multiply it by your big M, and that will always tell you moles. And that's actually how dilution works as well. You're taking your volume and multiplying it by molarity, and that always will equal moles, because for dilution, the moles initially equals the moles after, because no solute is taken out, right? So anytime you have a solution and you know the volume of it, if you want moles, just multiply them together. That's all you gotta do. Just make sure they're liters also. Okay, that's it. Enjoy the day. Do your click the property stuff. Enjoy the snow, which is coming down and actually looks like it's a decent chunk. So maybe we got it right this time. Bye, all.